What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to connect Trust Wallet to JumpTask. So you might be wondering how to exactly connect your wallet here to JumpTask. Well, connecting your wallet is actually pretty easy. So what we need to do is you want to go ahead and go to JumpTask here. You want to log in into your account first. And you want to go ahead and click on the top right here, which has your earnings. So let's go and press on it. Now, you want to go ahead and go to the left side here. So either go to My Wallet or go ahead and just click on the Connect Wallet option here that you already see. Now, from here, what we need to do is you want to go and click on Connect with Wallet. And in here, since again, we want to connect our Trust Wallet, you want to go and choose Trust Wallet. And also before doing this, make sure that you've already installed Trust Wallet into your browser or added the extension for it. So we just need to click on it and it should open up the pop-up for Trust Wallet. So you just need to provide your password and agree to a few things, and that should provide the access that you need. So yeah, let's go ahead and provide our password here. Now from here, it's going to ask us to basically provide, or in this case, provide the permissions. Let's go ahead and click on connect. It's going to start connecting and it's going to wait for the signature. Let's go ahead and click on confirm. And once you've done that, that should connect your account. Now, if you click on My Wallet here, as you can see, our wallet is now connected. But in this case, that's about it. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.